Resounding by the storm, it may be another earthquake or just another war, but to every child of God, it's something more. And when I hear the sound of marching, hear the song of battle cry, then I know my Lord is coming. Even now it may be night, and I can hear the sounds of His coming. Everywhere they're getting louder and louder each day, and every ship until that great and final sound, when the trumpet shall call me away,
I can hear the sound of fig leaves rustling in the summer breeze, as I see the Lord restore Jerusalem.